Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Pacer Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. First we need to open the menu, and to open the menu we need to press the back button. Once the menu opens, we can use the up and down button to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you select it, press the middle button. Next, select General Settings and press the middle button. Then scroll down, select the option called About Your Watch, and then press the middle button. And here scroll down, find the option called Shut Down or Turn Off. It looks like this icon, select it. And once you select this icon, press the middle button, and then press the middle button to confirm. And turn off your watch. And that's how you turn off this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.